Now we will see coefficients. Okay, I already explained a little bit, but again I am going to explain the coefficient. What is mean by coefficients? Okay, see, suppose 18 x y z is there, then what is the coefficient of x? You can say coefficient of x is equal to the remaining terms means what? 18yz. You can say 18yz is the coefficient of x, and coefficient of y, you can say coefficient of y is 18xz. Coefficient of z, you can say 18xy. But 18 is the constant term. 18 is the constant term. So you can't say the coefficient of 18 because it is a constant term. Okay. Then see, when the same number is multiplied by the itself, suppose x into x into x into x, same number is multiplying by itself, we can express it in the exponential form. We already have seen the what is meant by exponential form. So you can say the power of x1, 1 here 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So x is multiplying by 4 times. So you can say x raised to 4. So x raised to 4, you can say the power x raised to power 4. You can say x raised to the power 4. Here x is called the base. X is called the base, and 4 is known as the power of exponent. 4 is known as the power of exponent. Okay. The term of the algebraic expression having no literal factor is called the constant term. The term of an algebraic expression having no literal factor, having no literal factor are called as constant term, is called as constant term. So here in the above example 18xyz, here 18 is the constant term. 18 is the constant term in 18xyz. And suppose I will give another algebraic expressions, x square minus x minus 3. Here in this expression x, these are the variables, and this 3 is the constant term, but we have to take with this minus sign. So minus 3 is the constant term in this expression. Okay. Then see, next term we have to see, next point we have to see like and unlike terms. What is meant by like and unlike terms? Okay. Then like terms have the same letters and powers of letters but can differ in numerical coefficients. So like term में क्या होता है? What is like term? Have same letters. Like terms have same letters and power of letters. Power मतलब exponents. Power of letters. But can differ in numerical coefficient. But can differ मतलब ये अलग रहता है. But can differ in numerical coefficient. Numerical मतलब numbers. Numerical coefficients. Okay. So like term means what? They have the same letters and powers of letters but can differ in numerical coefficient. So for example, minus 5abc, 3abc and 14acb. These are the like terms. Why? Because see, same letters abc and acb मतलब ये order change है but these are the same letters. Okay, but can differ in numerical coefficients. So numerical coefficients are different. Okay, so these are the numerical coefficient numbers. Okay, differ मतलब अलग रहता है. So these are the like terms. Okay, then what is mean by unlike terms? So what is mean by unlike terms? Unlike terms का मतलब है contain different powers of letters. Contain different powers of letters. Okay. Here there are same letter and powers of letters, but here contain different powers of letters. And for example, 2x square y and xy square. These are the unlike terms because see x का power कितना है इधर? What is the power of x? 2. Here power of x is 1. Here power of y is 1 and here power of y is 2. That's why you can say these are the unlike terms. In algebraic expressions, like terms can be added. Okay. In algebraic expression, like terms can be added and or subtracted, whereas unlike terms cannot be added. Okay. In algebraic expressions, like terms can be added or subtracted, or unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be added or subtracted. Okay. Understood everyone? Then see, we will see the next point, that is degree. Okay.